Now, who doesn't love positive reinforcement? You talented, hard-working, print-on-demand superstar, you. Hey, it's Talish at Printify, and guess what? Customers want to hear good reviews about your products too. So let's talk about how you can get some and what you can do with them afterwards. Customers don't want to be the first to try out something new. Reviews ease any fears they have about purchasing something they might regret later. That leads to more sales and more conversions for you in the long run. But what they also do is increase search traffic to your store. See, search engines rank pages by how much information they have, and product pages don't tend to have much information as, say, a blog post. So what reviews do is add information to give search engines more content to evaluate. That helps them understand your business and helps you outrank your competitors. Also, the more reviews you have, the more authentic you look. The more authentic you look, the more users will want to create reviewable content for you, like pictures, videos, or any other kind of review that will motivate people to complete that sale. When you realize how useful reviews can be, you won't want to sit around waiting for them. So there are a few simple ways you can collect that information. The fastest, easiest, and cheapest method is just to talk to people. Ask your customers, which might include your friends and family at first, about what they think. But be sure to wait at least a week until after they get their products before following up. Otherwise, you run the risk of spamming them, which can do more harm than good. Then consider running some polls online. This can be done directly through your store, social media, or emails. You can make it general or ask a few specific questions to move things along. The key is to keep it simple and not ask for too much. Not only are you less likely to get a review, but it's also less likely to be positive. Or you could even try gathering information using QR codes. Those are going to help your customer link directly back to a review platform. However you decide to collect your reviews, the key is to personalize them. You're asking customers to go beyond the purchasing process for your benefit. So whatever you can do to encourage them is what's going to help you succeed. Once you have your reviews on hand, it's time to put them up. Add them to your social media, marketing emails, and pin them up to your product pages. Before you do though, it's worth knowing which ones to share and which ones to spare. Sure, you'll only want to put up the best ones that give you a glowing review. Who wouldn't? But here's the thing. Customers don't care about your products being perfect. In fact, too many perfect reviews sounds a little fishy and doesn't seem very genuine. What they do want is something that suits their needs. So an informative review, while not perfect, is what's more likely to get you a sale. As long as it adds to what they want to know, it will end up increasing a customer's confidence. Which is why it's also important to select ones that are written well. Comments that have spelling or grammatical errors make a review look less trustworthy. Just like anything else, keep an eye out for quality and the quantity will take care of itself. Selling great products is only a part of working with print on demand. The other is how in tune you are with your audience, like how much you understand their needs and what they want. So keep collecting those reviews and building on that relationship. And if you want to leave us a review, hit us up in the comments and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we've got multiple videos coming every week to help you stay successful with Printify.